Hello and welcome to Cryonics. In this video, we'll be looking at how to judge the performance of a website. So for that, you need to open the website that you want to judge its performance on a desktop or a laptop because it can be done only on those machines. It can also be in Mac. Open your website in incognito mode because the extensions and some settings that you have done might affect the performance of the website negatively, and it's not usually the case for everyone. So to judge the actual performance, open it in incognito mode. To see how to open it in incognito, well, go over here in these three right bars or whatever the menu over here is, and then just click on new private tab or new private window, whatever the option may come, or it may be written incognito. Then just open the link. Over here we have the about page of our Cryonics website, and in this, to judge the performance, well, click ctrl+shift+i, or you can also do a right click and then inspect. This will open up a new window on the site. It may open at the bottom or it may open at the left, wherever according to the settings of the browser. Doesn't matter much. And over here, if you can see these two dots, or these two arrows, these represent more tabs. So as it's showing, we have to click on the Lighthouse. This is a tool by Google and is now integrated in almost all the browsers. We can analyze the performance of a web page on this. Remember, it is not the performance of the whole website, it is just the performance of that single page. So over here, make sure that all these buttons are checked to get the performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and PWA analytics. And we'll just click analyze page load to determine the load of the page. And over here, as you can see, we had clicked desktop so that this analyzes it for desktop mode, and it will take a minute or so. And as we can see, it's almost done. And this will generate us a full blown report of everything and with suggestions as to how to improve your performance. And as you can see over here, it's all greens and 98 and 100%. So over here, if we can see, there was zero cumulative layout shift, which is that the parts are moving left and right. And there was a total blocking time of 50 milliseconds. That means that the user was blocked for 50 milliseconds from actually scrolling the website. This is pretty decent, not a bad metric. And the first contentful paint was 0.5 seconds, which is also not a bad statistic. It represents that it took half a second to show the first view of the website, to show the first content on the website. Then comes largest contentful paint, which was 1 second, which represents that the time it took on a slower network to load the website. And as you can see, the speed index, we'll leave that. And over here, as we can see, this is a full-blown report, and it is giving us suggestions as to how we can improve it. For example, serve images in next generation formats and properly sized images, reduce unused JavaScript. This is reduced unused JavaScript is mainly dependent on the browser itself. On the basis of the framework that you choose. And minified JavaScript, this also is also dependent on the type of framework and the developers. And it is pretty much okay because in the current world, we are using very heavy frameworks for the development of a website. So getting a performance, this is also pretty nice because the networks have become faster as well for most people. And so this is all in green. And as we can see over here, it is showing from 0 to 49, it shows in red color. If anything is coming in red color, that means the performance is very, very poor in that sector. And if it is coming in yellow color, it means that it is decent but can be improved and should be improved. And if it is coming in green, then it is pretty good. You are like top notch in your performance. So yeah, that was it for this video, and follow Cryonics for more such content. And if you want to get a website or want to discuss something with us regarding your online presence or your digital marketing or SEO, feel free to contact us at our email hi@cryonics.net.in, or through WhatsApp, or as we can see over here on our website, or anywhere on our website, all through all the contact options that we have. For example, get in touch, you can get in touch with us, and any message, any queries you have are already answered over here. If not, you can get in touch with us and we'll be very happy to answer them. So yeah, that was it. Thank you.